Hello GATE aspirants, welcome to GATE Chemical Solution channel. This is 2-mark chemical process calculation question in the year 2017. Please read the question very carefully and understand what is given and what you have to find out. Okay, let's see the solution for this problem. So in the problem, 1 mole of A is entering into the reactor and is converting into B and products are forming. So to the reactor 17 kilowatts of heat is added. Okay, the reactant is at 427 degrees centigrade entering. See, in terms of Kelvin it is 698 and the products are leaving at 325 degrees centigrade. In terms of Kelvins it is 598 Kelvin. Okay, you know, all of you know, right, the conversion plus 273. And heat of reaction at reference temperature is 30 kilojoule per mole. The reference temperature is 25 degrees centigrade, that in terms of Kelvin 298 Kelvin, and also given Cp of A and Cp of B 0.1 kilojoule per mole Kelvin and 0.15 kilojoule per mole Kelvin. Okay, they ask us to calculate what is the B leaving from the reactor. What is the B leaving from the reactor? So let us assume x moles per second of A is reacted. Okay, so then the product stream contains B equal to x moles per second and A equal to 1 minus x moles per second. Clear? Since as per the stoichiometry 1 mole of A is going to B, right? So as per that, if x moles of A is reacted means x moles of B is forming and A equal to 1 minus x moles in the product stream leaving from the reactor. So by writing the energy balances, the energy balance equation is amount of heat added or removed to the system equal to heat of reaction at the reference temperature plus heat content of the products with reference to reference temperature minus heat content of the reactants with reference to the reference temperature. Okay, so in terms of equation, Q equal to delta HR naught with reference temperature, heat of reaction with reference temperature plus sum of the heat content of the all the products minus sum of the heat content of the all the reactants. Okay, this in terms of heat capacities we can write it as that equal to Q equal to delta HR naught at reference temperature plus sigma mCp delta T of the products minus sigma mCp delta T of the reactants. Here this M may be either M or N depending upon the units of the Cp units. If Cp units will be in joule per mole Kelvin, then it will be moles. Cp units will be in joule per kg Kelvin, then it will be mass. Okay, in our case they have given in moles, in terms of moles, then this might be moles only. Okay, so by substituting in the corresponding values, so in our case the heat is added, so Q will be positive value, that is 17 kilowatts, and since we have to calculate heat of reaction at reference temperature for moles of the reactant consumed, so x into delta H naught at reference temperature. So this moles and this moles get cancelled, it will be kilojoule per second, then it will is nothing but kilowatts plus mCp delta T. So while doing any problems, please remember one thing, we have to make sure that the unit consistency, that RHS and LHS should have same units. If you do one is even single mistake over here, the complete answer will be you will get wrong. You will end up with the wrong answer. So be careful in that. Unit consistency is very important. So here mCp delta T of A, since the product contains A and B, right? So mCp delta T of A plus mCp delta T of B minus only the reactants only A is present, that is mCp delta T. Okay, by substituting the corresponding values and by checking the unit consistency, so this is 30x of 30 kilowatts, right? Heat of reaction by multiplying the x plus mCp delta T of A. So moles of A in the product stream is 1 minus x, right? 1 minus x into Cp of A 0.1 kilojoule per mole Kelvin. Mole get cancelled. Kelvin temperature, the final product temperature minus reference temperature. Here this will be Kelvin, this will get cancelled. You will get the kilojoule per second against a kilowatt. Okay, plus mCp delta T of B, that is x into 0.15 kilojoule per mole Kelvin into T2 minus reference temperature. Okay, that is the product temperature is T2, at what temperature products are leaving with respect to the reference temperature. Okay, minus mCp delta T of A reactant, that equal to 1 mole of A is entering, right? 1 mole per second, that is 0.1 kilojoule per mole Kelvin into T1 minus T reference. Okay, so by substituting corresponding values in this equation, 7 kilowatts equal to 30 into x plus 1 minus x into 0.1. In all the cases, the kilowatts terms will be get cancelled. So by substituting the corresponding values and calculating the x value, we will get. So by simplifying the equation, we will get the x value 0.6 mole per second. That what we have assumed x is a moles of A reacted. That is how many moles of A is reacted, the corresponding moles of B is forming as per the stoichiometry. A gives rise to B, right? So B leaving the reactor equal to 0.6 mole per second. So if you want to study the in detail of this particular concept, read the energy balances in that enthalpy change in reactions with different temperatures. Okay, heat of reaction definition we will get for based on the standard heat of reaction, right? In that case, reactants and products are at a same temperature. Okay, but here it is a different temperature, right? Reactants are entering at one temperature and products are leaving at another temperature. So you have to study this concept. Thank you.